up? It's Bowie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here or you are new here but for some reason haven't liked or subscribed, please do. And also, leave a comment about different video ideas because I'm totally open to take them and I could really use some of you guys' help. And also later down there, hit the little blue bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm going to be making slime, as you know by the title, but not just any old slime. Well, it kind of is, but I'm going to be making it after 1 year, not just like 2018 to 2019. I haven't made slime in maybe not 1 year, but probably around at least 9 months, maybe 6 months. I've played with slime, in fact yesterday I did, just because my cousin still likes to play with it a lot. And we were kind of playing with it and stuff, but just like coming around to it here and there. But today I'm going to be actually making some. So the ingredients, I'm like a pro at making slime, but I just haven't made any in a long time. I was going to make some fluffy slime, so shaving cream. This is some glue. So this is some pre-made activator that I made like 6 months ago, I think. Neon food coloring. This is a mixture of glue, shaving cream, and water, so I figured I could just add this in. I don't even know, I think I have this for my squishy makeovers, and I do these at home a lot, so comment down below if you think I should make some of my own. I figured maybe we could make it cotton candy slime. This is my cotton candy scent. A spatula and bowl. So I'm going to change your guys' angle so you can see a lot better what's going on. Okay, so I have my bowl, and I don't think you need to be a pro at slime to know that you always do your glue first. So I just have this Scholastic glue, which I know works. Normally I'd use the gallons of Elmer's glue, but I went to this because it was really cheap, and I had run out of like my 8 gallons. So you put in the glue. And I've made a ton of slime videos, but I haven't uploaded any of them. I don't know why. Oh my goodness, I can't open this. Okay, it's like hurting my finger. Okay, there we go. And comment down below if you want me to keep doing slime videos. I think they're fun, just I don't make slime that much anymore. And I have a ton of supplies. So I don't know of much YouTubers besides like ASMR YouTubers that still like make slime. But then now some shaving cream. So I think that one's out. So let me just, there we go. I don't want it to be like too fluffy, because I have a ton of fluffy slimes. I'm going to roll up my sleeves because I do not want to get messy. Okay, now let's just add some of this to hopefully make it a lot like softer. Just drizzle it on top. So I could either make pink cotton candy or blue cotton candy. I don't know where my pink one is. I only see yellow and blue, so I guess I'm going to make some blue cotton candy. Because like, I know that you can find blue cotton candy and pink cotton candy. Normally it's not both. So then you just mix this. And this part is so cool. I love mixing it.
And don't use any like nice things to make slime in or like have slime touch it. Because slime is very messy. And it's actually a lot darker in real life than on camera that I'm noticing. But it's like a nice baby blue. Actually, let's see the difference on camera. Wait, actually, it's kind of like the exact same. It's just a lot more like blue, and on camera it's kind of more greenish, but that's okay. And then, this is actually for Barbie, but since I know the person that made it is a close friend of my dad's, she can kind of help like make it a lot less powerful.
So that, and I don't even go bear hunting or hunting for that matter, but yeah. And guys, don't worry, it's not like powerful at all. Well, it is powerful obviously, but I just wanted to add some more of this. Just because I do want it to be stretchy. And like, I don't do the much squishy makeovers anymore. And I actually got these for activator, but I never really use them for activator. And then let's actually make it a bigger batch. So some more glue. Then I'll try to get some more shaving cream out. And of course I'm gonna have to add more food coloring so that it's, oops, just splattered everywhere. Should have got a paper towel. Okay, it's fine, we're good. I think that's good. And the more oil you add, the actually more you have to activate it normally. It's normally how it works. So I think it's actually like the same color, but I'm just gonna make sure everything is mixed in so I can see if I need to change anything. Here, I'm gonna actually zoom you guys out a little bit. Is that better? No, I think that's good. And then, yeah, it's actually kind of a bit, my ring light is actually reflecting, so it's making it look lighter. So that's it without the intensity of the ring light. It's actually really creamy, like, it's really nice. Let's add some more of this, because I never use that stuff. Let's smell it. Pretty pigmented. You guys were probably like, whoa, I'm still like confused on how you put in so much. Like I said before, my dad knows her, so I can ask her to like not make it as intense, because like bears from afar, even though they do have a good sense of smell, you do need to make it pretty pigmented, especially because you mix it with stuff like dog food. You guys might be confused if you don't know what I'm talking about, but it's really creamy and it's not really that heavy. So if I go like this and rub it, like I can even feel the oil in there. Okay, so now I have some borax pre-made. I just put it in one of the big bottles. Then I think this is 2.5 cups. So I did 2.5 teaspoons of borax, if you're wondering. Just regular borax. And then now you just add this slowly, as you probably know. And then starting to activate. I can't remember if I made this like really strong or if it's just normal, because like it's already starting to activate. So even when you want to make sure you don't just go, oh, it's starting to activate, let's add some more so it doesn't get so sticky. You want to make sure you have every single last bit so that it's all equally activated and not like one at a time. So now I am gonna zoom it out and then just keep stirring. You kind of have to stir for a while. And I'll show you, like I said before, it like activates like immediately first when you start mixing it, but it will eventually kind of slow down once you start mixing it. You guys are like, whoa, that's already like basically slime. But you just need to keep on mixing, and then you'll see that it's gonna start to stick to the sides again. And then slowly and slowly, yep, now it's back to the original state, but it is getting a lot like slimier, more activated. And a lot of you guys have been asking me since I at least used to make so much slime, if I was gonna like maybe do a Q&A and like based to slime, because most of my videos are actually about slime, just not recently. Like I have probably 20 hours of slime videos that I didn't upload, and you guys are like, what, why? I have a ton of videos clearing up the confusion about that. I think I have 3, and I just actually uploaded one today, so go check those out. And see, this is a really good state because you know that the activator is working. And then keep doing the same process, and it is gonna get kind of boring, so I'm gonna do a time lapse. Okay, so I have it in a good state, as you can see. And sorry, the lighting just got really weird. Same color. And as you can see, it cleans itself up. Like this bowl is completely empty and the spatula is clean. So I think I'll zoom you guys back in. It'll focus, yeah. And then take off the slime, and if you can see if it sticks anymore, just touch it with the slime. And it is still a little sticky, but don't add borax just yet. So I don't think it should stick to this table. It doesn't stick to most things except for paper, and I bet poster board as well. And I can make slime. I'm not surprised. I have made slime several hundred times, I bet. And you guys are like, it's still sticky, what's up? So yeah, yeah, guys, you remember, my first ever video was a slime video. Like, this channel kind of started off as slime. And I don't expect my channel to get big, because I only have like 15 subscribers. But tell your friends, tell your family to please subscribe, because I really want our family to get bigger, because it'll get, the bigger it gets, the stronger it gets. But it is still kind of sticky, the slime, and I'm just gonna keep kneading it. And then after that, then you will eventually see that it's not as sticky anymore. And yeah, it still cleans itself up even when it's a little bit sticky. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put some borax in this bowl, and if it gets sticky, I'll dip it into the bowl. Because it is still sticky, if you guys can see. Move it a little over here. And like, I'm not trying to act like this is a tutorial, because I bet I could make a slime tutorial. This is just for the sake of the making slime after a year video, not a how to make slime video. But if you guys want me to show you guys how to make different kinds of slime, because again, I have a ton of those videos that I actually deleted. It's not like they just failed to upload, I just deleted them on accident. Well, I didn't, but I made it on my mom's phone, and she deleted it because my audio is really bad. But yeah, just keep on kneading, and then just go back and get a dip if you ever need more. And it makes like really cool sounds. And I'm sure most of you guys watching it, which is probably just my friends or my parents or siblings or relatives of some sort, have probably made slime before or have played with it, because I've made it and gave it to you. And then, yeah, and then just keep going in with the borax at really, really small doses so that it doesn't get overactivated. And can't remember the last time I overactivated a slime. And I also know how to fix slime really good. Like, if my friends have like a really bad slime, then they'll just bring it to school or give it to me like at a family's party, and then I'll just fix it and give it back to them. So I could also make a video about that. And then yeah, just pick it up off of your hands and stuff. It's really cool, really clicky, and it is still a little bit sticky, so just keep on slowly adding it. And I like slime because it cleans itself up. And if you know how to do it, you can make so many different things. And I think we should do like a mini ASMR. Just because I have a whole actually video dedicated to slime ASMR. So you guys should definitely go check that out. And I have a goal to post, just gonna say, I have a goal to post 5 videos till I think February 1st. March 1st, I think. So tell me what video ideas I should make. This is already my second one today. And I made the goal today, February 17th, 2019. And I need to make 5 videos till March 1st, 2019. So give me some video suggestions. I already have 3 actually, but I'm doing one of them right here. So I just need 1 more. I'll choose one of your guys. And I'm just gonna get the rest of the borax, and then I think we'll be good. And guys, you definitely need to wash every bowl and spoon unless it's like dedicated to making slime. Because if you did what I did and get borax all over it, you definitely will get very, very sick if you consume it. And then, yeah, so let's do some ASMR. Oh great, just realized that Just realized that this whole clip was all white. Okay, let's do some ASMR. This won't be completely silent because there is some TV in the background, but sorry. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. That slime was a total success. Even like 6 or 9 to maybe 6 months ago was around the last time I made slime. I can't even remember the last time I made slime like back then, and it was better than this. Like, this is so cool. Like, and then the first time I made slime was probably 2 years ago. I got pink glitter glue, clear glue, white glue, 2 bottles of pink glitter glue, 3 bottles of clear glue, and 1 bottle of white glue, and then 2 cans of shaving cream, and then some borax, obviously. And then I just mixed all those together, and I like measured it and stuff. But since then, and then I made a ton of different colors. Then I mixed them together, and I played with that slime for so much time. That was so fun. But this is so good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below if you want me to make more slime videos. This is so cool. I'm actually thinking about it. And also while you're down there, hit the little bell symbol just so you guys can know when I make more cool videos like this one. And yeah, stay updated. Bye!